It is day 3 and it's currently 6 a.m. and it's super dark outside because the sun hasn't come up yet, but we're about to head to the airport to get on our flight to Switzerland. We're spending 1 day in Switzerland and then we're coming back to Paris tonight. So I don't know what we're doing in Switzerland yet, but I don't know, I guess it's time for me to connect with nature. So see y'all when we get there. Guten Tag. Good morning, mi amor.
What's up? We on the train to Switzerland, or to the airport in Switzerland.
Saint-Lazare.
Geneva, Switzerland.
Geneva. Bonjour. Hey. Okay, we just got on our private jet.
Yeah, private jet, easy jet.
Ivey separated.
She's gonna ask to switch.
She's in the corner over there. Oh my god.
And our flight is only
An hour, right?
an hour. I hope they give us like some sweet treat. But
We haven't had anything to eat, and we thought we were gonna be late too. But I've been sorting through all my pictures, and I have just too many. Oh, let me stop before I show myself.
bye.
Whatever. They made him take off his belt, and he was running with no belt.
Yes.
Hey guys, we made it to Switzerland. We're on the bus in Switzerland. The bus like it's giving like it looks like IKEA. Like where are the mountains at? We're at a crepe place.
You should have got both sweet and savory. Savory's gonna, the sweet's gonna make your stomach hurt.
You got savory too? What did you get? Sandwich?
Tuna, petite.
It's okay.
I got
Tuna. Oh, y'all both got tuna? Tuna. And then this chocolate pastry. Got my crepe. How's your chocolate pastry?
That's good. I don't really like the bread.
They said the tuna sandwich. The tuna sandwich was not bad. I mean, you can't really fuck up a tuna sandwich again. But
Never tuna.
okay, I'm gonna try this crepe. It's very yellow.
Right, like Coldplay. Bye.
Coldplay.
Yeah, you know Yellow by Coldplay? Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turning to something beautiful, you know.
No.
You guys don't know that song?
We do.
Exactly, it's called Yellow.
You made that up. Are you getting water? Yeah. Can you get me one? No, it's water.
Well, one person opened it at a time, yeah. I don't know why y'all did just translate it.
This is mineral though. Mineral aqua. Or sparkling water. Is it sparkling? Is it good though? It just tastes like water.
It's sparkling. Bye. Vicky.
It's just water with like carbonation.
Water should not have come.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Salam. My bad, Brody.
bench.
Yes, we are at the world's longest bench right now. I don't want to ride here. I don't want to ride here. I don't ride here.
What?
Why are we at like the toppest thing and we still don't see mountains? Like, hello?
The mountain is right there.
Where? Oh, wait, I do see it.
What? Did you not see it before?
No, I didn't see it.
You thought we were just sitting here for fun?
But I thought we were coming to the longest bench in the world.
When I start stripping.
Alright.
Hello?
Like, why?
Why did she just like pull out like a whole curtain from her pants?
Fuck. Not lovely. Well, you know what that means. Plan B.
And that is?
I didn't think that far, did I? Oh yeah.
Fire.
Okay, so we have left the longest bench in the world and we are going to this fountain over here. Hello. Bonjour. So, oh. Hey, here's Miss Ivy. I don't know, saying some gimbal shit.
Bonjour.
This is the fountain. They want me to take pictures here. This is a Tesla right here. Oh, can we stop speaking in an accent? This is a Tesla right here.
And this is the fountain.
Yeah, the fountain of youth.
Is this the fountain of youth? Drink from it and see.
Wait, I don't even know how I'm gonna take pictures here.
It's honestly pretty clear, I'm not gonna lie.
You mean when it's like rust?
Okay, so she's trying out fresh water to drink.
No filter, no nothing. Straight from the source of the rivers of Egypt.
Egypt? When we're in fucking Switzerland?
What? Isn't it straight from like the rivers or like something?
They filter it, that's why you can drink it.
Oh.
Did she just make this up?
You know, she's like, alright.
Why is it like a bathtub? How is it?
It's good. It's so fresh, isn't it?
Me lying?
Okay, so you try it. You next. I'm not.
What?
It's like a fair warning. No, I mean, it just tastes like water.
Okay, here.
Water. Fire.
What?
We had a nice at that.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna find out.
Yeah, because we were trying to get water, but we got carbonated water because the shit is in Portuguese. Why are you putting that so close to the tab? You get like the rust? Okay, so we're now going to the church. Oh, is it right there? Oh, I thought it was like a cathedral.
Is it not?
It doesn't look like one.
It looks like a courthouse. It looks like the Supreme Court. Oh, it's the one behind
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
I think you go in here and you can climb up.
Okay, let me turn this so y'all can see because I know y'all are mad as fuck.
Well,
So-
I brought my other SD card. For storage. Take the picture of this flag.
Oh yeah, the flag looks kind of thicker, but
Opaque.
yeah, literally. Let's see. This is literally how a church looks like. Huh? This is a big church.
Thank you.
Not that. So we have to walk up the tower, walk up the stairs.
Thank you.
Thanks, Messi. Hey.
It's a famous fountain, but it's not on.
This is a famous fountain, but it's not on. Oh wait, it's on.
But it's not really. What?
Y'all, so we're
On another track. Because
Yes,
Mother
to-
Ivy just keeps finding some places on hills.
we're supposed to be getting this coffee or something. Well, not me. I don't really like coffee, but I'm going along with the flow.
High rated. This is rated 4.8. Everything else was like 3.
Okay.
Just ask them what matcha they use. If they pull out Japanese matcha, then I'll buy
They
it.
say it's like a company secret.
Well, then they can keep their company secret and their.
Thank you. So we're in here. That's good. Yeah. Bonjour.
Let's just get ice. What? Wasn't it like $5 outside?
Me when they like clickbaited y'all to come in. Wait, this looks good, but I feel like it's gonna have like raisins in it.
She said there's Asian bags. So
Okay.
it might be Asian matcha.
But it's green.
Is it though? Has anyone here got the matcha? I don't see it.
No.
Look, you need caffeine. I'm running on 2 hours of sleep.
I don't think I need any more sweet though.
You only live once, Cookie?
Yeah. You only got a piece.
Okay, so we got the matcha. This is how mine looks like. This is how hers looks like. Mine was with whole milk, hers was with almond milk. And it was so bad to the point where we had to get a coffee to redeem ourselves. So we got duped.
I just on TikTok this guy, this girl posted a video of themselves, and then the first couple was, I know her cat is good as fuck.
But what the hell?
Like, who says that? Like, who the fuck says that?
She's going to La Toilette.
Yes. She's going to Poitiers en toilette.
Okay, she's going to Can I Use the Restroom? Okay, so we just got to a ramen restaurant, and we thought it was called Umaido, but it's actually called Umamido.
Right? And we got fucking baited.
But yeah, so we're about to get some ramen because it's cold outside. So I'm gonna look on Yelp to see if it's good. Okay, we just got our food and they gave us goods. Okay. So I think we all got the same thing.
No, I don't know. Did you get ramen?
They just gave her hella bean sprouts. Yeah, but I told her to make mine spicy too. That's why it's a little orange. But let's try this. No one else wearing this. It's a trap.
You know what?
I was like, when did you register this? It's a trap.
Right.
What is this? A cabbage? Okay. Okay. to you, mommy.
Okay guys, we're at, oh look, it's so nice. We're at this museum and it's free. It's a free museum.
We're back at the airport and we just got some Swiss chocolate
Yeah, I got milk chocolate. She got dark chocolate.
because we have a lot of time until our flight back to Paris, so we're gonna try it. Oh, wait, should we just all try dark first? Oh, wait, yeah.
It's gonna like mess up the taste of my mouth from milk chocolate. I'm annoyed.
Hey, cheers, mate. When it just says like dark chocolate.
It does.
This was $4.
Negro. What? Oh, me, oh, my. Right. This is the milk chocolate one. I love milk chocolate, so I wish it had caramel, but it doesn't. Like, I don't know why they didn't have caramel or anything. It's like extra milky.
It tastes like milk though. Oh, we also bought some souvenirs, so we can do a haul real quick. So first, we got this little bear for our friend. They're cute.
Yes. Dang, bitch, I said let go.
I got a lighter for my dad. Light it up, bro. Hey.
Imagine like you just did it and it exploded.
Ugonna got
So cute.
2 houses.
I don't know which one I'm gonna give to Jason. Which one do you think I should keep myself?
Oh wait, or did you get this for Alyssa? Because I have my bag in here. Yeah. Forgot. My bag's in here, but I got the same thing, and then I got another like magnet.
Oh, that one wasn't yours that you used?
That's yours.
But yeah, we're about to go back to Paris and I'm about to fucking sleep for the next 36 hours, okay? Goodbye.